So in today's lesson, we're going to look at how to remove a protocol from a link that's been detected and exists within the virtual image in your Nozomi Networks Guardian. Let's go. Right, so here I am on the network page on the links tab of my Guardian. And you can see I've filtered here on a link between two endpoints, 10.406 and 10.5062. And there's three protocols here. We've got Delta V, we have Telnet, and we have other. Before we carry on looking at this, let's understand why we may want to remove a protocol from a link that already exists in the virtual image in our Guardian. So let's assume that this link is it's a conduit between two zones in our environment. And within our design, our target security design, we assume that we would only see Delta V on this link, and that it's not okay for there to be some telnet there and whatever other happens to be. So we may want to, as part of housekeeping, go through and remove those other protocols, or the protocols that aren't meant to be there, remove those from the link. And if they were to come back again, we could start looking at why that's happening. In order to do this, it's a fairly simple CLI command. So I changed to my CLI, going administration CLI. The command we're going to use is here. IDS configure VI link. And by now in this series, you should be getting pretty used to what these commands mean. So we're not going to break this down. IDS configure VI link, IP address 1, IP address 2, both ends of the link. We define the protocol we're trying to get rid of, and we use the command :delete. And if I hit enter here, we get a success message. Now the other protocol that was present on this link was called other. So let's get rid of that as well. We hit enter here. We get a second true message. Now we'll flip back to that links page and see what the updated picture looks like. Network links. And now we only have Delta V present on that link. So that's tidied this link up and brought it in line with what we expect it to be. And of course, the bigger question is if those protocols were to reappear, there's some more work to be done there. But this is a good way of just tidying things up and helping keep your network in order.